Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we have completed exercise 6th A. Now in today's class, let's start with the exercise 6th B. In this exercise, you will learn how you can add algebraic expressions. So the first question is add, and they have given these algebraic expressions in first part, right? So you want to add 2x plus next expression is 3x plus x plus 5x. Students, no numerical value is given here, so you can assume this is 1 because 1x is also equals to x. Clear? First of all, check are they like terms, because you can add only like terms. Yes, all these terms have variable x. सब में variable क्या है, सेम ही है, x है. So these are like terms. So what you will do here, you will add the numerical values. Numerical values को add कर देंगे. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6 plus 5 11. So you are getting 11 and the variable is x. So what is your answer? 11x. Next, you want to add minus 3b square. I will enclose it into the bracket. Why? Because this is already given with the sign. जो भी टर्म्स आपको साइन के साथ गिवन हो उनको कोशिश करो कि आप पहले ब्रैकेट में ही इंक्लूज करो. क्लियर? प्लस नेक्स्ट यू वांट टू ऐड 5b स्क्वायर. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट. minus 3b square plus 5b square. These terms are like terms because both the terms have variable b square. Clear? Both the terms have different signs. दोनों टर्म्स में क्या है, डिफरेंट साइन है. एक प्लस का है, एक माइनस का है. -3 एंड प्लस का क्या है, 5. So both have different signs, so we will subtract them. 5 minus 3 2, and sign will be of greater one, which is 5, and the sign of 5 is plus. So you will get plus 2, or you can say 2, and the variable is b square. This is your answer. In the fifth part, you want to add 0 with this y. When you add 0 in anything, you get the same number. So y plus 0 is y, because you are adding 0. 0 means nothing. So y will remain same. Next, sixth part, you want to add minus x. Add करना है ना. These are already given with the sign, so I am enclosing them in the bracket. Minus x को add करना है with minus x. Open the bracket. Minus x प्लस माइनस माइनस. जब भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर प्लस साइन हो तो नंबर का जो वेरिएबल का ओरिजिनल साइन है वही रहता है, चेंज नहीं होता. सो एक्स के साथ क्या साइन था, माइनस था, सो इट विल रिमेन सेम. सिमिलरली हियर प्लस माइनस माइनस एक्स. ये ध्यान रखना है, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जब भी प्लस साइन गिवन हो तो जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर टर्म्स हैं उनका साइन सेम ही रहता है, साइन चेंज नहीं होता. एंड ऑन दी अनदर हैंड, इफ ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी टर्म्स होते हैं उनका साइन क्या हो जाता है, ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. क्लियर? नाउ ऑल दीज वेरिएबल्स हैव सेम साइन, सो वी विल ऐड देम. नो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज गिवन हियर, सो यू कैन अस्यूम 1 1 1, right? And you are adding them because sign are same. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, and the variable is x. Sign will be of greater one. All are similar and all have negative signs. So answer will be minus 3x. This is your answer. Next, seventh part, you want to add 1 upon 2 ax with 1 upon 2 ax. Variable are same. Variable ax ही है दोनों में. So you will add them. Add करो 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. अगर आप हाफ और हाफ को ऐड करो तो आपको क्या मिलता है, 1. और आप उसको फ्रैक्शन की तरह भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम, 1 plus 1 which is 2 upon 2, and 2 1s are 2 is also equals to 1. So you are getting 1 and the variable is ax. This is your answer. Next part is ninth part. You want to add 2y with minus 5y plus 6y प्लस -4y। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है तो आपने देखा होगा मैंने इस नंबर को एंड इस नंबर को ब्रैकेट में इंक्लूड किया है। वाई? बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी गिवन विद द साइन। क्लियर? नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट। 2y आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट वी हैव प्लस साइन। सो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो वैल्यू है उसका साइन क्या रहेगा? सेम ही रहेगा, -5y। और आप ये भी कर सकते हैं प्लस माइनस माइनस। क्लियर? प्लस 6y, अगेन ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या है? प्लस साइन। सो ये जो वैल्यू है ओरिजिनल वैल्यू, इसका साइन क्या रहेगा? ब्रैकेट के अंदर सेम ही रहेगा, 4y। क्लियर? नाउ दिस टर्म एंड दिस टर्म बोथ आर पॉजिटिव। दोनों क्या है? पॉजिटिव है। सो 2 + 6 is 8y, राइट? Now this term and this term both have negative sign, मतलब दोनों में सेम ही साइन है। सो ये भी क्या हो जाएंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगी। 5 + 4 is 9y and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus, right? Now both have different sign, so we will subtract them. 9 - 8 1, sign will be of greater one which is minus and variable is y. So this is your answer, -1y, or you can write -1y को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? -y. Next 12th part, variables are same, so add them. 6a raised to the power 4 b square x square को ऐड करना है with 6a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 4 x square. Now open these brackets. -6a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 2. Students, this is b raised to the power 2. ये b raised to the power क्या है? 2 है, right? 2. Clear? x raised to the power 2 plus 6a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 2 x raised to the power 2. Now students, in this variables are same, right? Numeric term is also same and sign are opposite. दोनों टर्म क्या है? exactly same ही है। Clear? and we are subtracting them because sign are opposite. अगर आप 2 में से 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे आपको क्या मिलेगा? 0. If you are subtracting a minus a, what you will get? 0. If you will subtract 2x square from 2x square, what will you get? 0. अगर हम सेम टर्म्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? 0. सिमिलरली वी आर डूइंग हियर ना, दोनों टर्म्स क्या है? सेम है बट विद ऑपोजिट साइंस, राइट? सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम एंड आंसर विल बी 0. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. यू वांट टू ऐड 6a plus b with 3a plus b. If we take a plus b as variable, a plus b अगर वेरिएबल है तो दोनों वेरिएबल्स क्या है? सेम ही है and the sign are also same, so we will add them. 6 plus 3 9 and the variable will remain same. This is your answer. Next one, 2a plus 3b plus 4c. You want to add these three terms, but here these are not like terms. ये like terms हैं ही नहीं, इनमें वेरिएबल सेम नहीं है, सो दिस विल रिमेन सेम. हम इनकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज़ को ऐड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हम like टर्म्स को ही ऐड करते हैं, राइट? एंड दीज आर नॉट like टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सिंप्लीफाई 3p plus p can be written as 1p, right? Minus p can be written as 1p plus p can be written as 1p minus 1p, right? Students, if you observe plus p minus p, if we are subtracting same value 1p minus 1p, what do you get? 0. So इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 0. सिमिलरली 1p minus 1p, 1p में से 1p ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल गेट 0. क्लियर? प्लस this is 3p, and if you will add 3p with the 0, you will get 3p. Simple 3p. This is your answer. Next, fourth part, ar cube minus 10r cube plus 6r cube. Right? Now this term and this term is of plus sign, and these are also like terms, so we will add them. 8 plus 6 14, and then r cube minus we have this term 10r cube. Now in these two terms also variable are same, so these are like terms, and we have different sign in both the terms. 14r cube is of plus and 10r cube is of minus, so we will subtract them. So subtract 14 minus 10, 4, and variable will remain same. So your answer is 4r cube. Next question, question number 3. Now in this question they have arranged the expression in the column. Now उन्होंने क्या किया है? कॉलम में अरेंज कर दिया है, but this is quite similar to the previous one. 4 is of plus sign and 1 is of minus sign, so these will be subtracted because we have different sign, right? So 4 minus 1 is 3, and sign will be of greater numeral, which is plus. Now these are like terms, दोनों में t ही है वेरिएबल, right? and sign are opposite. 5t क्या है? प्लस साइन का है, and 6t is of minus sign, so we will subtract them. 6 minus 5 1, variable is t, and sign will be of greater numeral, which is 6, so sign will be minus. So your answer is minus 1t plus 3, or you can write, आप उसको और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? minus t plus 3, या फिर क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 minus t, कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? बिकॉज t क्या है? माइनस का है, एंड 3 क्या है? प्लस क्या है. बस ये कंडीशन फुलफिल होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ पार्ट, दे डोंट हैव गिवन एनी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, सो आई एम पुटिंग हियर 1 फॉर आवर कन्वीनियंस. नाउ वेरिएबल्स आर सेम, राइट? दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स, बट द साइन आर डिफरेंट. साइन क्या है? डिफरेंट है, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. और अगर हम 1b में से 1b को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, हमें क्या मिलेगा? 0. सेम वैल्यू को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाती हैं? 0 हो जाती हैं, राइट? प्लस नाउ 3a and a. a means 1a. बोथ हैव सेम वेरिएबल, सो दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स and have same sign. दोनों में सेम ही साइन है, so we will add them. 3 plus 1 4, and the variable is a, so this is 4a plus 0, and 0 means nothing, so you can also write it as 4a. This is your answer. Next question number 4, second part. This is numerical term, right? minus 7 plus 3, sign of both the numbers are different, so we will subtract them, right? 7 minus 3 4, and sign will be of greater one, greater numeral is 7, so sign will be minus, right? Next is plus 2x minus 5x. x is the variable which is same in both the terms, right? So these are like terms, but the sign are different, so we have to subtract them. sign different होते हैं तो subtract करते हैं. So 5 minus 2 3, variable will remain same x, and sign will be of greater one, which is 5, so sign will be minus, right? because 5 का sign क्या है? minus है. In next, no numerical value is given here, so I am putting 1 for my convenience. Now this is 1x square and this is also 1x square. both have same variable, so these are like terms and both have similar sign. दोनों के आगे कोई sign नहीं है, it means both are of plus sign, so we will add them. 1 plus 1 2 and the variable will remain same. So your answer is 2x square minus 3x minus 4. Next, now we have three algebraic expressions, right? So let's check. These are numerical terms. So first solve this. Minus 6 plus 2 plus 5, right? Now these two have same sign, so you will add them. Minus 6 plus 5 plus 2 7. Now these two have different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 7 minus 6 1 and sign will be of greater one, which is 7, and its sign is plus. So this is plus 1. Now these terms have same variable. It means these are like terms, but the sign are different. Sign different है. A square can be written as 1a square. This is of plus sign. Minus 4a square minus 7a square. These are of same sign, so these will be added. 1a square, 7 plus 4 11a square, and sign will be of greater numeral 7, which is of minus sign, so put minus sign here. Now these two have different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 11 minus 1 is 10 and the variable is a square, and its sign will be minus because greater numeral has minus sign. So this is minus 10a square. So what is your answer? Your answer is minus 10a square plus 1. Next question is question number 6, second part. Now in this question, this column has just one term, so this will remain same, minus 7. This column has two terms and both are of positive sign, so we will add them. 5 plus 3 8x, and that will be of plus sign. This column has two terms and both are of plus sign, so we will add them. 5 plus 6 11, variable is x square and sign will be plus. This column is also having only one term, x cube, so this will remain same. So what is your answer? Your answer is x cube plus 11x square plus 8x minus 7. Next question, question number 7, simplify. Firstly, open the bracket. C square plus 2cd. Outside the bracket you have plus sign, so the sign of the terms inside the bracket will remain same, right? Minus 3cd minus d square. Now as you all know, we simply add like terms. These are like terms because these two terms have same variables, cd and cd, right? So c square, sign of both the terms, both these two terms are different. 2cd क्या है? प्लस का है, and 3cd of minus sign, so we will subtract them. 3 minus 2 1, variable is cd, and sign will be of greater one, greater numeral, which is 3, and its sign is minus d square. So this is your answer, c square minus cd minus d square. And you can also write it as, because 1 cd is also equals to cd, right? Third part, you want to add 3mn square with 4m square n square. Now open the bracket. Outside the bracket we have plus sign, so sign of the term inside the bracket will remain same. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर टर्म है उसका साइन क्या रहेगा? सेम ही रहेगा, राइट? एम एन स्क्वायर. आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट वी हैव प्लस साइन, सो जो भी टर्म ब्रैकेट में है उसका साइन क्या रहेगा? सेम रहेगा, माइनस एम एन स्क्वायर. सो फर्स्टली चेक द लाइक टर्म्स. लाइक टर्म्स कौन से हैं? 3mn स्क्वायर minus 5mn square माइनस एम एन स्क्वायर। सो इनको एक साथ पुट करते हैं, 3m n² माइनस 5m n² minus mn² can also be written as minus 1mn². And this is the unlike term, which is 4m² n². Right? Now we will solve this part. This 5mn² and 1mn² both are of same sign. दोनों क्या है, नेगेटिव साइन के ही हैं. So we will add them, 3mn², add them, 5 plus 1 6mn² and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus, clear, plus 4m² n². Now these are like terms but their sign are opposite. 3mn² क्या है, प्लस साइन का है. So we will subtract them, 6 minus 3 3mn² and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus here, plus 4m² n². So this is your answer, minus 3mn² plus 4m² n². Next part, fourth part, you want to add x minus y plus y minus x plus 2y minus x. Right? Firstly open the bracket, x minus y, outside the bracket you have plus sign. So जो भी terms bracket के अंदर हैं, the sign of those terms will remain same. उनका sign क्या रहेगा, same ही रहेगा. y plus का है and x is of minus sign. Similarly here outside the bracket we have plus sign. So the terms having sign inside the bracket will remain same. Right? 2y is of plus sign and x is of minus sign. Now in these terms we don't have numerical values, so we can take 1. हम assume कर सकते हैं we have 1 here because 1x is also equals to x. Right? Like terms are 1x minus 1x minus 1x. So 1x minus 1x minus 1x. Why? Because these terms have same. Another like terms minus 1y 1y 2y. So write them, minus 1y plus 1y plus 2y. Now students, if you subtract 1x from 1x, अगर सेम टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे वो क्या बन जाएंगे, 0. सो वी कैन कैंसिल आउट देम, उनको कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं. अगर सेम टर्म को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो उनको से 0 मिल जाएगा हमें. सो वी जस्ट कैंसिल आउट इट हियर, हम उसको यहीं पर कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस ब्रैकेट, minus 1x. राइट? अगेन इन दिस ब्रैकेट ऑल्सो 1y and 1y both are of different sign, so we will subtract them and we will get 0. So we can cancel out them, right? Because we will get 0 after calculating it. So from second bracket you are getting, second bracket से आपको क्या मिल रहा है, 2y and that is of plus sign because 2y was of plus sign, so no need to put sign here. Now open the bracket, minus 1x can also be written as minus x because 1x is also equals to x, right? Plus 2y. This is your answer, minus x plus 2y. और you can write it as, आप उसको और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 2y minus x. right? टर्म्स को आप आगे पीछे उनका प्लेस एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं but their sign should remain same. Question number 8. Match the expression in column A to the sum in column B. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर जो एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है उनको सॉल्व करके मैच करना है विद द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द राइट कॉलम बी. राइट? सो आई एम सॉल्विंग द सेकेंड पार्ट सॉल्व करते हैं. 2y² minus 3y plus 6 plus y² means 1y² minus 5y minus 1 plus Outside the bracket we have plus sign, so sign of the numeral inside the bracket will remain same, right? So this will be of minus 4 plus 2y square minus 2y. Now search for the terms having y square as variable, this and this. 2y square plus 1y square plus 2y square, 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 4 5, 5y square. Next look for the term having y as variable, minus 3y, minus 5y, minus 2y. All these terms have minus sign, right? So we will add them. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 y, and that will be of minus sign because greater number, which is 5, is of minus sign. Now look for the constant terms. Plus 6, minus 1, minus 4. These are constant terms. Plus 6, minus 1 and minus 4. Plus 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Right, and sign will be of greater number, which is plus. So we are getting 5y square minus 10y plus 1. So match this second part with 5y square minus 10y plus 1. Right, students, I have explained you how to add the algebraic expression, how to add different like terms, right? So you will solve the left parts, left expressions, and you will match with the right answer as I have shown in the second part. Next question, question number 9. If P is equals to this, Q is equals to this, and R is equals to this, find the value of P plus 2Q plus 2R, right? So P we already have, which is 2y square minus 5 minus 2y. Find the value of 2Q because you want to add 2Q now. So 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं Q को. Q is y square minus 3y plus 6. As you have studied in distributive property, जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन में टर्म है, we multiply that term with all the terms in the bracket. So it will become 2 multiply y square will be 2y square. 2 को अगर हम y square से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा 2y square. Then in next term we have minus sign. 2 3s are 6y plus 2 6 are 12. Next find the value of 2r. 2r की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. It means multiply the r by 2. What is the value of r? Y square minus 4y plus 2. Again, according to distributive property, you will multiply this 2 with each term in the bracket. 2 multiply y square is 2y square minus 2 4s are 8y plus 2 2s are 4. Now they were asking to add P, 2Q and 2R. So P, 2Q and 2R. Simply you will add these 3 expressions. इन 3 expressions को क्या करेंगे? Add कर देंगे. So add them. 2y square minus 5 minus 2y plus 2q is 2y square minus 6y plus 12. 2r is 2y square minus 8y plus 4. Open the brackets. 2y square minus 5 minus 2y. Outside the bracket we have plus sign. So the sign of all the terms inside the brackets will remain same. Right? So 2y square is of plus sign minus 6y plus 12. Similarly, outside the bracket we have plus sign. So sign of all the terms inside the bracket will remain same. सबका sign क्या रहेगा? Same ही रहेगा. So 2y square is of plus sign minus 8y plus 4. Now look at the like terms. 2y square, 2y square, 2y square. All these terms have same variable and all these terms have same sign. सब में same sign भी है. So we will add them. Add कर देते हैं. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. Y square variable will remain same. Next, look for the y. This term has y. This term has y as a variable, right? And all these terms have y as the variable. So these terms are like terms and these terms also have same sign. So we will add them. 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16 y, and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus. Sign क्या आएगा? माइनस का आएगा. Now look for the constant terms. Constant terms वो terms होती हैं जिसमें कोई variable नहीं होता. -5, 12 and 4. Constant terms are -5 plus 12 plus 4. These are of same sign. So -5, 12 plus 4, 16. These are of different sign. So 16 minus 5, 11, and sign will be of greater numeral which is plus. 16 क्या है? Plus का है. So we will put here plus. So we are getting plus 11. So what is your final answer? 6y square minus 16y plus 11. This is your final answer. Question number 10. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. They have given all the sides of this triangle and we have a formula to find the perimeter of triangle, which is sum of all sides. Right? So you will add all sides. So add 3x minus 7 first side plus second side 2x plus 5 plus third side is minus x plus 11. Open the brackets. 3x minus 7. Outside the bracket we have plus sign. So sign of all the terms inside the bracket will remain same. So 2x will be of plus sign plus 5. Similarly, outside the bracket we have plus sign. So sign of all the terms inside the bracket will remain same. X is of minus sign. So put minus x plus 11. We don't have any numerical value here, so we can put 1. Now look for the like terms. First of all, check for the x. 3x, 2x, 1x, right? So solve them. These are like terms. 3x is of plus sign, 2x is of plus sign, but 1x is of minus sign. So these will be added because these two terms have same sign. 3 plus 2, 5x minus 1x. Now these two terms have different sign. So these will be subtracted. 5 minus 1, 4. And sign will be of greater numeral. Right? Which is plus. 5 क्या था? Plus का था. So greater numeral which means plus sign ही आ जाएगा. 4x is also equals to plus 4x. Right? So write here 4x. Now this is constant term, this is constant term, and this is constant term. 7 is of minus sign, 5 is of plus sign, and 11 is of plus sign. These two terms have same sign, so we will add them. 5 plus 11, 16. Now these two terms have different signs, so we will subtract them. 16 minus 7, 9. Right? And sign will be of greater numeral. Greater numeral कौन सा है? 16 है and its sign is plus. So we will put here plus 9. So what is your final answer? What is the perimeter of this given triangle? Perimeter of this given triangle is 4x plus 9. So students, with this question your exercise 6th B is completed. I have left some parts of this exercise. Those parts you will practice yourself. In next class, we will start the next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.